ebujafo na ye cheche we biara sanso ema ahwefo etifo adofo ganafo nyina ye mo biara akwaba abrochefo se mo nyina akwaba edeba Attention TV so your most inspirational YouTube channel on say abebo ademo ewa asabrea na abrametna and from mu ede am the original host of this program. Mami Ekuya Ejua, she's not around. I'm the one representing her today. Abrameden some ekokoso ewo man gana mo be ba besoma mo so money ekos mesra wo say if you are new to the channel na so nyan subscribe ya bon homodene na subscribe ne kama emfa ema ebusha for yen hensem na se na yemfa emam na ye hensem na se na ye de amamudia na ye de makopie mu ewo Funnyface de makopie mu ewo na kache na ensem bi efe na kache eba enye asem ketwa em say ye wo ha na ye nam abefo ntentan kese iso na ko hu video bi na video no caption e da video iso ene say Funnyface reveal how his baby mama Vanessa give we to his little daughters.
Hey, yeah, this is Funnyface. Guess what? This is a diary. This is a documentary I'm doing for Ella and Bella and baby Kimberly, and then my stepdaughter Asida. I know I once said I won't talk about Ella and Bella again. I won't talk about Vanessa again and everything. I won't talk about my children again. Yeah, I said that, but hey,
me be see Vanessa and the bush of phone because me was there. Ella and Bella we. Ella and Bella started she we.
Omani we tofi.
Mama we. There be no we tofi. Mama she. Ella and Bella. Now say Vanessa a live video. Live video me say me bano or quality fa na ko nyem say stand up ta kwaya she we.
Oh, when was she?
me and I'm caring about me boy. I will talk about them, but this time around in a positive way. Mr. and Mrs. Vanessa. Ma, Daddy, my sorry. It's a mommy can't hear me. I'm a fan Jimmy. Me call situation be more na wires need touchy. Mr. Adopam taking by salt, taking by salt, taking, and I'm saying no. Me and me say meeting wires need be touchy. And me decided to me free penny be say. Just say oh papa Vanessa papa daddy service me jaw nim jaw wisdom o can say o sure boy nice o na dwenu insist so nti yem fani ko psychiatric daddy open out the first psychiatric idea no buy na o can you na can so person chem bibi wo so podu ane say about I'll show him that me tell jaw is na o rasta ni na e sa say rasta na few to so besi na say 50 years we da no na me share jaw wisdom me power say daddy. One day, me say, we to make you know that I love you, daddy. Me know best we were high together, and I noticed this, daddy, Jah wisdom, because we were not on talking terms. Tell me, my friend can't show. Damn me, but check Vanessa and any mommy. So mama, Ellen Bell almost started. Ellen Bell started she we. You need to make us stand there. Once there will be every we now the attitude of Vanessa. At the age of 5 years now starting money we. Vanessa no she we champion too. The first time she we. I have that Vanessa did we come and that day. I didn't like it, so I stopped. I said, Vanessa, I can't do this. I'll follow you and do things, Vanessa, baby. Vanessa, I'm a pen off. Guess what? It breaking me heart. For I think this is the longest booking that ever a celebrity has gone through. Hey, my mom fast kaka. A celebrity has gone through. Okay, mommy and the popular. Me sure that you're a celebrity, sir. Popular kwanya India. Okay, so me a popular kaka oka. So I do the this longest broken heart Jimmy Fu has ever gone through. Yeah, I've accepted me, Jimmy. I can win you and told me. Yeah, I'm going to you gonna send the bush of war. They may war. Hey, Vanessa, mommy, I love you. I'm sorry. Everything I said, I'm sorry. I'm Isinyani now. Your co-teaching man. We did the other time, friends. Koraza and everything, and maybe Kumasi, and we stay for 5 days. Me see me patch up said the bear meet me aba abehun kwala no and if so say me kwala na me nim because am na say be a ban one and one we di no am pa mo ban de me di no Vanessa me di because no tena be ma ba ko pe ho o free be ma we nwa no akobe ma we o free be ma so be ka o ka me nsa said me ka shanya me no daddy Vanessa ma me Vanessa papa me di mo ban papa Vanessa me dini papa. You can say okobe maybe o did 2 days 3 days but sebe me cash me menu Vanessa be did 3 months e wo me wanu mu no de nyim elembela me dini papa me dini papa 2 minutes don't kind once Vanessa here video be na TikTok live no be say Vanessa, so is it true that the husband Funnyface no will be correct Funnyface me don mo akumachi omo no dia omo pe Vanessa sem to be sure say no they were not married but me ex so na me pan correct so ex no say Vanessa, is it true that your ex Funnyface was 2 minutes? Vanessa sent me a reply and you know Obi ayemi you know obi screen because the man you know this sending me. You know what Vanessa did? According to Baka no share that say some refi no say ebi mo dey ye cancel to am soon but you be come no na nyesa cry because Vanessa can no say nyesa cry. It was not 2 minutes. Vanessa me do 2 hours 3 seconds. Ella and Bella, you were born from 2 hours 3 seconds, 1 hour each. The two of you share among yourself. Baby Kimberly, you dear, ask your mother, I was asleep. Your mother came to lie to me. It took my sort of look at. You know, your mother start on me. Fuck me good. Fuck the shit out of me. Vanessa, fuck the shit out of me. And you, baby Kimberly, you came. I said, Daddy, I don't know why you came. Ask your mother. You different fuck. Mommy, with Jimmy Keke. Vanessa, what the hell and Bella, mommy? They say me build one career. Me dey say that one be can me building it. Vanessa, to God be the glory. I have the numbers, millions of followers. Vanessa, we are in monetization age. I imagine say me, to God be the glory, creativity. 23 years in Ghana show. Nobody. Jinya me, ya watching. Jimmy see me yet. Yet the chemi, actually is a gift. Let me boast of the goodness of God. Me, my brother, Mama Christ. Yes, I hear people say, boy, boom, yes, I'm crazy for God. And He's giving me the ideas to be who I am today. Bushka. No, yeah, what's the way I'm coming because it's still a train. Kakra. Why not? And always they call one way. Obete, Kakra womb. Obete, Kakra womb. Daddy, Mommy, Vanessa. Me, my message is simple. I think you should give me the chance because if you don't, you see your daughter that you are using to fight me, I will use her to fight you. Moba Vanessa, open me fucking. Me dada no keke. Obetias will be Rian Waba. Mobiza Mose, how can we really know that she was with a man for 3 good months? Have you asked yourself as parents? I don't want to go there because I'm apologizing. Because I say, or part was or can't quasi as him. Me dini fucking Vanessa, Trema. No, Vanessa tell me dinner now for me trima. Me only go no me imagine so be Vanessa so be what Vanessa don't na pa kuma. Back to the topic. So Vanessa, Vanessa for the Vanessa mother. Dinyame Bayan, shout outs to my boys, Carlos, oh, many pair with Jimmy so but I'm afraid was a Caesar. Almost 2 million, and I'm who's a looking quasi a football back in But see, Carlos and Caesar, they are managers for life. Sunny Adams, me ma block you because you interview Vanessa some time ago. You asked Vanessa in a live video to stand up and twerk. No man it don't clap. On man on sorry not twerking. No man it don't clap. You know catch say me record it to have it. Okay, Vanessa let me jana to na clap. Your friend's baby mama. You a very stupid friend. Sunny Adams. Abua. Oh Debbie. Obi am be part of the system dey. So mommy and Vanessa, mother Vanessa, father Vanessa, to go be the glory. This is a chance. Give me the chance, or I'll use your own daughter against me. Dad and Obeba. Me din is last time me share me back.
Ebusa for sa pepe anete ha na me de ensem nyina ebesi e de amomia me de ensem bro me din ara energy connect.